In the realm of sports, martial arts, and physical competitions, the notion of gender-based assumptions often gets shattered as women consistently demonstrate their prowess, leaving many guys exposed in unexpected ways. A male participant finds himself exposed by a skilled female opponent. The momentum quickly shifts as the girl expertly executes a powerful slam, followed by a swift transition to an arm lock. The guy, unable to escape the tight hold, taps out just in time to avoid serious injury. A brave guy took on a girl, only to find himself tangled up in a web of embarrassment. The girl, perhaps possessing secret grappling superpowers, had him tapping out faster than a squirrel raiding a nut stash. As he surrendered, it was as if he finally realized he was playing chess while she was mastering four-dimensional underwater Scrabble. The match concluded with the guy tapping out and contemplating a career change to something less grapply.
358-163-379。
In this intense MMA showdown, the white belt guy throws sportsmanship out the window, refusing to touch gloves and charging aggressively at the composed MMA girl. Despite his initial aggression, the girl skillfully takes him down and executes a precise chokehold, leaving the overconfident guy embarrassed on the mat. The unexpected outcome reduces him to tears. A muscle-bound girl took on a guy in an arm wrestling match, leaving him with little chance from the get-go. Despite any preconceived notions, the girl's formidable physique proved to be the deciding factor as she effortlessly overpowered the guy. In a trans-Pacific showdown between a determined Australian soldier and a confident US Marine, the challenge was set. Who could withstand the endurance test of holding a 30-pound weight the longest? As the clock ticked away, the Australian soldier maintained unwavering focus, while the Marine's arms began to resemble spaghetti on shaky ground. After a mere 5 minutes, the Marine graciously conceded defeat.
2, 1, begin. Arms up straight, arms begin.
Start. She did 5 minutes 30 the other day.
Oh my god.
Oh, with a squat at the end.
I'll give you the correct time. It's
Every minute.
15 seconds.
Come on, guys! Let's go! Yes! Let's go, Frank!
In this pint-sized kickboxing showdown, a pocket-sized warrior found himself in a hilarious pickle against a formidable girl. Despite his best efforts, he resembled a wind-up toy caught in a tornado as she unleashed a flurry of kicks and punches. In a comical MMA match featuring two guys against one girl, the unexpected unfolds as the girl manages to knock out the first guy in black shorts. Despite a momentary recovery, he finds himself back on the canvas after another knockout blow. Realizing he's had his fill, he humorously pleads with the referee to call off the fight. The second guy, however, manages to escape without getting knocked out.
Decided he wanted to take a lap. What's the chromosome count on this team? Jesus Christ. Clearly, this fat brother is concussed. Why he laying on the floor getting in the way of his teammates pacing? Shorty begging for the lanky one to have a fair one, but this man's afraid to throw a punch. Look at the fat one. He's flummoxed, confused. He's trying to escape.
In an MMA matchup that defied stereotypes, a guy found himself in a hilariously lopsided battle against a formidable girl. From the opening bell, it became apparent that he had signed up for a comedy of errors, as the girl effortlessly dominated every aspect of the fight. In a grappling showdown between confidence and reality, an overzealous man took on an MMA fighter, only to find himself in a tap-out tango. As the skilled woman deftly maneuvered him into submission, his ego seemingly evaporated faster than morning dew. In a move straight out of the sore loser playbook, he redirected blame to the referee, as if the real opponent was the one sporting stripes. In a mismatched MMA clash, an out-of-shape middle-aged man regretfully stepped into the ring with a fit and athletic average girl. From the onset, it became clear that he might have mistaken the octagon for a jog in the park. Despite her relentless pursuit, the man's attempts at offense resembled a reluctant dance recital, with him more focused on a hasty retreat than landing a punch. The fight ended in a one-sided display, leaving the man thoroughly beaten and pondering whether he accidentally wandered into a fitness boot camp instead of an MMA arena.
And here we go. Shorty started out spamming the triangle button. All she throwing is kicks. We 15 seconds in, and I can't believe poverty-stricken discount Tony Soprano is not on the offensive.
Kick back. Kick back.
You're scaring the lady. Shorty unleashed.
In a bold but futile attempt, 4 guys bravely challenged the seasoned female MMA veteran Miesha Tate at the gym. Each given a mere 2 minutes against her, they soon found themselves tangled in a web of expertise. Despite their combined efforts, Tate effortlessly demonstrated her mastery, leaving each challenger tapping out within the allotted time.
McGregor, we're coming for you. Well, we're gonna make you cry.
All 3 of us.
Again.
Because one of us can't.
It's like a snake taking down a mouse. Oh! Trying to grab my head. Tap.